Let's go through the steps to set up a Tightknit community in your Slack workspace in just minutes. Ready? Start the clock. The first step is installing your app with our install link. Make sure your workspace is the one selected, which you can change if you need to in the top right dropdown. Also make sure that you are an admin in this workspace. Review the permissions, then click Allow. Once Tightknit is installed, you can find it either by searching for Tightknit in the search bar, or by finding it under the Apps section of the sidebar. Go through the Getting Started informational modal, which teaches you how to find the app, which we just went over, how to navigate the Home and Messages tabs on the Tightknit app, and finally, how to star the app to find it in a convenient location in the future. Let's go ahead and do that right now. I'll right-click the Tightknit app and click Star Conversation. And from now on, I can find it under the Starred section of the sidebar. Once your Tightknit plan has started, you'll want to go to the Tightknit app and click on the Messages tab to start the onboarding workflow. Click the Launch Guided Setup button to start. The first order of business is to set up your companion site. The Tightknit companion site is a forums website that hosts the content created within your Slack workspace, transforming it into a beautiful format for the searchable web. Let's create a site with the default settings for now. To learn more about the companion site, check out our other video on the topic. Next up is activating a channel. In order to use Tightknit features in a channel, such as gamification, polls, channel tools, and much more, you must first activate Tightknit in that channel. Let's say I want to activate Tightknit in the Help channel. I'll select Help and click Submit. Now let's say I want to connect this channel so that the posts are synced to the companion site. We can achieve this by creating a feed. Let's create one with the default settings for now, which will create a feed that will auto-sync all new incoming Slack messages to the companion site. To learn more about feeds, check out our other video on the topic. And that's it. Pretty quick, right? From this point onwards, you can navigate to the Tightknit app home to modify any number of settings for each module. You can modify your community within the Slack workspace, manage your companion forums website, promote events on our events platform, create a culture of recognition using gamification, manage your polls and onboarding welcome messages, create custom automation with webhooks, and so much more. But right now, let's go check if our feed is working. Under the companion site module, you can see how to access your brand new companion site. It's looking a little empty, so let's add some content. I'm going to go into the Help channel, which we connected to the feed, and make a new post. I need some assistance. Now let's go back to the site and refresh. Voila, our post has appeared. Note that if your feed is instead set to manual sync, or you ever need to manually sync a Slack message, you can use the Post to Site message shortcut, and the message will be synced to your companion site. One more tip for the road. During onboarding, Tightknit will create your very own Tightknit Hub channel. This is a private channel where Tightknit will send all the important admin notifications and alerts. To learn more, check out our docs at docs.tightknit.ai and join our community at community.tightknit.ai.